In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an encrypted email in Gmail. If you're ready to boost the security of your email communications, follow along as we delve into using Gmail's built-in tools to encrypt your messages. First things first, you'll need to log into your Gmail account. If you haven't set up an account yet, now's a good time to pause this video and get that taken care of, which should only take a few moments. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the Compose button. Give it a click, and this will generate a new email draft, opening a fresh canvas for you to craft your secure message. As this new message window pops up, shift your gaze to the bottom right corner. Here, you'll spot an icon resembling a padlock melded with a clock. This is your gateway to confidential mode, which hosts the encryption features we're going to employ. Click on that lock icon, and we'll explore the set of options that appear. Now that you've accessed this menu, you'll need to set an expiration date for your email. This feature is particularly useful if you prefer your message to vanish after a specific period, limiting how long sensitive information remains accessible. You've got several preset options to choose from, such as 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and more. Think carefully about the time frame that best suits the nature of your email and make a selection. Next, consider whether you want to add an extra layer of security by requiring a passcode for the recipient to open the message. This can be particularly advantageous for highly confidential communications. You have two choices here. You can bypass a passcode, where Gmail will simply notify the recipient through their email provider, or you can opt for an SMS passcode. Choosing the latter means your recipient will receive a text with a passcode they must enter to view the email. This extra step ensures that only the intended recipient can access the content. Once your settings are fine-tuned, it's time to input the recipient's email address and jot down the details of your message. This process mirrors any regular email, where you'll enter the recipient's address in the To field and type your message in the main text area. Double-check all information for accuracy to prevent any mishaps, such as sending your secure message to the wrong party. With everything double-checked and ready to go, click the Send button. Your encrypted email is now on its way, equipped with the encryption and security features you've configured. Remember that if you chose the passcode option, ensure your recipient has the necessary details to open the message. That's all there is to it. By incorporating these steps, you enhance the security of your email communications using Gmail's encryption, providing an extra layer of safety for your correspondence.